Welcome back to another Animal Company video. Today, we'll be selling 2 nut shredders. $83,000.
Add me.
Smaller diamonds from how are you so rich?
I sent you a friend request.
No, I didn't unlock it yet, but like I wasted all my company coins on this outfit. Like smaller diamonds for bigger diamonds.
Yeah, bro, come on, let's go.
Buddy.
Follow me.
Any
Just kidding, bro. I missed it.
Oh. Okay, bro, let's go in here. Let's go in here. Let's go in here.
All right. Then let me go get a grappler.
I already have one, but you can get one.
I will eat.
I will kill everybody now. All right,
You can't. This is a no.
I can try to. I can.
Whatever you eject next, I will eat it. For real. Me too. It can be a bag. He's not gonna eject. I don't think he might eject me something rare, but. Anybody want to help me clean up the streets of Gorilla Tag? Not Gorilla Tag. I'm sorry, Animal Company. Help you clean up what? It was an empty bag. You know that just waste it. It doesn't give you
Over here.
when you shred the backpack.
Hold on, wait, what? All my small bags can fit more?
You see me? It costs 2 research points. Wait, how do you get? Wait, no, cause I have 2 research points. I thought it costed 3. That's why I didn't.
There's a detector. Flash grenade. Compass grenade. Isn't that what it's called? The compass grenade? Let's see if I was right. Anti-gravity.
Like you can equip stuff. Your stomach, like
What is
I don't know, like how you can equip
Wait,
revolvers and stuff, but like you could like put it, like it counts as your waist.
I know. I wish they could do that.
But
Okay,
luckily you
what
can
else
put the
should I
good. But luckily you can put the ukuleles on your hip or on your back.
Oh, you can?
Yeah. No, but like I'm gonna try to make beats with this, like, cause I just met somebody that actually made a beat. Like I'm gonna see if I can, cause they said it's like.
Yo, does anybody think I should activate this ginormous?
Bro, it's not worth it. Do it. Do it.
I just
do
killed
it.
some.
But you
Bro,
want
this
to do
is
it.
a modded chat. This is a galaxy. Oh, you shredded the galaxy.
Want it or should I open it?
I'll open it. I'll open it.
To keep it or to open it?
Yeah,
It doesn't matter
I'll
what you
keep it.
do
I'll
with
keep it. I want to keep it. I want to keep it.
It's big, massive. Yo! Let's go!
actually, wait, let's goody my game.
We need more than 500 things in your stack.
Guys, we're hosting a talent show. I'm hosting a talent show. If you want to join, you can join.
Why are there so
Take it off, shred it, shred one. I need someone
I'm
to
hosting a
shred.
talent
what are
show.
you doing?
Come to the stage if you want to be in a talent show.
It has like 20 year
Oh my god.
very big
Gertie,
No, I'm just kidding.
come to the stage if you want to be in a talent
I'll
show.
give away one of them. One.
Yes, I want it.
I will do one.
You want to be in
A rare item, a rare item.
It's gonna be a
Ah! People here? Oh. Ah! 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 Ah!